Another tool I used for this animation project is Animaker. I had never used Animaker before, but it was very, very easy to use. This would be great to use with elementary students, middle school students. The all of the features of it were very easy, and for it to be a free site, a lot of the features, even for a free site, are really, really good. So you can go here to create, and you can create a video. You can create slideshows, any kind of presentation, Facebook post, Instagram post. So I'm going to kind of walk you through the project that I created. So each year, our teachers use a program called Class Solver. And what that does is it places students into the next year's classes based on the sets of demographics that we put in the program. So each year, at the end of the year, the teachers go in and they can set up whether students need to be put together or not put together. They can put in there if the students are gifted or have an IEP. So then the program knows to kind of spread those students out and make the classes more equal. But each year we send out the directions because since it's a yearly thing, a lot of teachers forget. So I wanted to send out a video this time instead of just a presentation. So I chose one of the pre-made templates over here. So you can just choose a template. You can choose your character. They also have different properties that you can add. So shapes, frames, just all kinds of different. If you want to put a chair in there or a coffee cup, you can add all kinds of things. Then as far as the text goes, you can add headings, subheadings. You can also add logos or different quotes, things like that into your presentation. You can also add different backgrounds. And then it also has this AI features that can generate backgrounds based upon the information that you type in. So that's pretty cool too. Got different images if you would like to use their images. You can insert some of the videos that they provide. It also has music tracks. And then special effects too. So if you wanted to add, any kind of dots on the screen, anything like that. Those are all things that you can add into your presentation. Uploads, and then down here with more, these are the apps that integrate with Animaker. So you can insert a Zoom video, a QR code. Then it's also got these website Pexels, Pixabay, Unsplash, where you can go in and choose stock photos to import or videos to import to put into your presentation. So over down at the bottom, it shows how long each scene is. Over here on the right, it's got your scenes and how you can go in and edit. You can also share here, and that another feature of Animaker is that you can create a team, and so you can share the video with your team, and then everyone can go in and edit that's on your team. So, like I said, this would be great to use even with elementary school students as more of a project based kind of assignment. So, going back to the beginning, I'm going to quickly just preview my video. So this is a very easy way to make your presentation more engaging. Include music in it. Just anytime you can make something more appealing and creative than a slideshow presentation, your viewers are going to just buy in and be engaged a little bit more. So this is probably the easiest animation tool that I looked at and kind of played around with. So this is definitely something that I will use in the future.